Hi, my name is Matty, and here today I made this Beyblade Stadium. So I didn't finish it because you do know there are still more holes right here. So to make this you need a cardboard box and to carve out with a cardboard box into a sword. Then make holes inside the box. Then put the sword inside, or for more design, if you want, you could just paint it. Now you must finish the other swords for the other holes. Now since I'm finished with one sword, I'm going to show you how it looks like when it's battling. So I'm going to use this Beyblade called Revive Phoenix. And then I'm going to launch it here, and I'm going to shoot this right out. See that? Isn't that cool? Yeah. So look in here, okay? Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Here comes. So he's not coming yet. I can't reach. Can I at least reach you? Well, let's try another battle. That didn't really come that well, I guess. This time with no ring. It'll be better if we don't use the ring, because it goes faster without the ring. Here, I'm using the sword right now. It's too far. So it's kind of like a game that you need to catch the Beyblade with the sword. So it's really cool. Like, so now it's gone. So now that the Beyblade did not survive, the Beyblade has lost from the sword. So you can create this at your home. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.